Welcome to our Masterclass on extending your educational experience beyond traditional classroom settings. We'll explore various programs like cooperative education, externships, internships, leadership training, and unique initiatives like arts venture incubators, research opportunities, capstone projects, and service learning. Learn how to leverage these experiences for personal growth, professional development, and academic enrichment. Download our experiential learning roadmap to navigate your journey. Cooperative education, also known as co-op. In a co-op program, you alternate between academic study and full-time work related to your major, typically in paid positions. It's a way to gain substantial real-world experience while still in school. You might, for instance, be studying engineering and then spend a semester working for a tech firm before returning to campus. This back and forth structure helps reinforce what you learn in the classroom while allowing you to test drive potential career paths. Something you could do is check if your college offers a co-op program and talk to your academic advisor about how it would build into your timeline. Now let's talk about externships. These are short-term, often 1 day to 1 week shadowing experiences that allow you to observe professionals in a workplace setting. Let's say you're not sure whether marketing or public relations is right for you. Spending a few days shadowing someone in each field can help you decide. Externships are especially valuable for students who are still exploring their options. Something you could do to connect with your school's career center is to ask about externship programs or reach out directly to professionals in your network. Internships differ from externships in that they're longer, typically lasting a summer or a semester, and often involve real responsibilities. These are chances to contribute meaningfully to an organization while also growing your skills. Picture a journalism major writing articles at a local newspaper or a business student working with a startup on a marketing campaign. These experiences build your resume and sometimes lead directly to job offers. Something you could do is make a list of companies you admire and explore their internship opportunities, noting deadlines and requirements. Leadership doesn't always come naturally. It can be cultivated. Many colleges offer leadership programs, retreats, or workshops designed to help you grow in competence, decision-making, and interpersonal skills. You might join a student leadership retreat or enroll in a certificate program focused on communication and team building. These experiences help you become someone others turn to in group settings, both in school and later in your career. Something you could do is inquire about leadership development initiatives on campus or through national organizations like the National Society of Leadership and Success. Then there are project-based learning experiences like arts venture incubators. These give you the opportunity to launch a creative or business project with mentorship and sometimes even funding support. For example, you could develop your own digital art series, design a small product line, or prototype an app, learning firsthand about the business side of creativity. Something you could do is research incubator programs related to your interests and see what application cycles or eligibility criteria apply. Undergraduate research is another powerful way to deepen your learning. Whether in the sciences, social sciences, or humanities, collaborating with professors on real research adds academic weight to your experience. A biology student, for instance, might study gene expression in a lab, while an economics major might assist in analyzing regional income disparities. These experiences often lead to published work or conference presentations. Something you could do is talk to professors in your major about current research projects and ask how students typically get involved. Capstone projects. Capstones are often the culminating experience of your major. These are comprehensive projects, sometimes group-based, sometimes solo, that pull together everything you've learned. Let's say you're in architecture. Your capstone might involve designing an eco-friendly community center. Or if you're in public health, it could be a data-driven policy proposal to address food insecurity in your city. Something you could do is begin thinking early about a capstone topic that aligns with your long-term goals, so you can shape your elective choices accordingly. Finally, service learning combines community engagement with academic reflection. It's a hands-on way to apply what you're learning while contributing to a greater good. You might be a public policy major tutoring underserved students, or an environmental science student working on a local conservation project. These experiences teach empathy, collaboration, and real-world problem solving. Something you could do is speak with your campus community service office about current service learning projects tied to your major or passions. Here are some schools leading the way in experiential learning. Northeastern University in Boston is renowned for its co-op program with over 3,000 employers participating globally. University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School excels in placing students in top internships across finance, tech, and consulting. Duke University offers immersive leadership development through the Duke Leadership Academy. The College of Worcester mandates an independent study project for all seniors, fostering research and synthesis. University of Wisconsin-Madison connects undergrads to faculty-led research through its Undergraduate Research Scholars Program. Tulane University integrates service into the curriculum through its Center for Public Service, encouraging community-based learning. Experiential learning isn't like a resume booster, it's a compass. These programs and projects give you insight, confidence, and direction as you navigate your academic and professional life. Use our experiential learning roadmap to think through which opportunities might align with your goals and begin crafting a college experience that stretches far beyond the classroom.